So I am going to introduce denotations and connotations to you guys. So I'm just kind of going to go over this worksheet with you guys first. So a word can have two kinds of meanings. A word's denotation is its dictionary definition. So if you were to look in the dictionary and you found a word, that's its denotation. A word's connotation is the feeling that people associate with the word. So how someone feels about a word, okay? So compare these examples. A positive connotation is my older cousin Cal is clever. Okay, if you think someone's clever, you think they're smart. Okay, and here's the negative connotation to that. My older cousin Cal is sly. Usually when you think of someone as being sly, you think of them being sneaky. But clever and sly, they kind of have the same dictionary definition, but the way we feel about those words is differently. Okay, so here's another example. He asks questions because he is curious. When someone's curious, it just means they want to learn more. Okay, but the negative connotation of that is he asks questions because he is nosy. When we say someone's nosy, we think they're always in our business. They're always trying to overhear things. Okay, so positive and negative. So it's how we feel about a word. The dictionary definition of the word clever means almost the same as the dictionary definition of sly. The words have similar denotations. The words curious and nosy also have similar denotations. However, they have very different connotations. The words we use carry feelings. The reader uses these feelings to form opinions, okay? When you write, think about the connotations of the words you choose. Ask yourself, what effect will my words have on my readers? Okay, so read the sentences. Write P if the underlined word has a positive connotation. Write N if the underlined word has a negative connotation. Okay, so while you're reading, read each underlined word. Ask yourself, what feelings do I connect to the word? If the feelings are good, it's positive. If the feelings are bad, it's negative. So let's do two together, and then you guys can do the rest for homework. Number one, Cal is a very thrifty person. Cal is a very stingy person. So they have the word same, almost the same definition, but different connotations, different feelings. So when I think of someone as being stingy, I think negative, okay? It's a negative word. But if I think of someone being thrifty, I think of a positive, okay? Do another one together. He wears classic styles. He wears old-fashioned styles. Okay, if I think of someone wearing classic, I think of they wear old stuff, but they make it look nice. So I think that's a positive. And when I think of someone wearing old-fashioned, I'm like, oh, they're wearing old clothes. That's a negative. Okay, same thing for the rest of these. You're just going to keep doing that, positive or negative. Every morning he trudges to work. Every morning he sprints to work. Cal drives an antique car. Cal drives an ancient car. His wife insists that he fix the car himself. His wife encourages him to fix the car himself. And lastly, one day Cal's son requested a room of his own. One day Cal's son demanded a room of his own. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to just write positive or negative connotation on each line. If you need help, just message me on Schoology.